Last week, I showed you how to make the cinnamon roll. This week, I'm going to show you how to make the icing for it. Let's get started. Alright, I've got a batch of the cinnamon rolls in the oven, so I'm going to add in the softened butter, the cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and some vanilla extract. And we're going to mix all this to combine. I don't think it's sweet enough, so I'm just going to add a little bit more powdered sugar. Giving it another taste. Oh yeah, that's good. As you can see, I've got one of the cinnamon rolls right here. And I'm just going to place our cream cheese icing right on top. Let the residual heat melt the icing. You might be wondering, why do I have a tuxedo t-shirt on? Well, you'll find out soon. Until then, I'm Jared Lendy with Small Bites. See ya.